The all-new 2025 Michelin Primacy 5 has arrived and is making waves. After outperforming the Continental Premium Contact 7, it now faces another premium rival, the Bridgestone Turanza 6. Let's see who comes out on top. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Bridgestone Turanza 6 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the 2025 Afton Bladed Summer Tyre Test. In wet conditions, the Primacy 5 clearly pulls ahead. It breaks 0.9 meters shorter, that's about a 3% improvement. It also completes the lap 0.7 seconds faster, translating to a 1% improvement in lap time, while holding grip much better in aquaplaning with a 5% edge in resistance. If wet safety is your priority, the Michelin is the standout performer. On dry roads, the battle tightens. The Turanza 6 brakes slightly better by 0.3 meters or roughly a 1% advantage, but both tie in handling feel, each earning a 9 out of 10. It's a near draw, with the Turanza edging ahead on braking. Mileage is where Primacy 5 takes a commanding lead. Estimated to last around 47,500 kilometers, that's a full 13,000 kilometers more, or a 38% longer lifespan than the Turanza 6. As for comfort, both tyres are neck and neck. In subjective noise, each scores a perfect 10, making it a dead heat for cabin refinement. When it comes to rolling resistance, the Turanza 6 performs slightly better, offering about 2% more fuel efficiency. When it comes to price, the difference is notable. The Michelin Primacy 5 is approximately 27% more expensive than the Turanza 6. So, which tyre should you choose? The Bridgestone Turanza 6 is a smart, fuel-efficient pick with great dry braking. On the other hand, if you're looking for touring excellence, especially in wet performance and longevity, the Michelin Primacy 5 is the clear leader.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.